After you ordered the Refractor 900, you will receive these 3 packages. On my left-handed side, you can see the package of the phoropter head. It doesn't matter which phoropter head you will order, all will be in the same package. It will always look like that. In the middle, that's a central unit, though it's the brain of the phoropter. And on my right-hand side, there's a control panel. This device is optional because you could also use a mobile device to control the phoropter. For the unpackaging of the phoropter head, the package should look like that. If it is damaged, please contact your distributor. So for the unpackaging, use a scissors or a knife and open it carefully so that nothing is gonna be damaged. If you open it, you will find directly a leaflet in the package. Take it out and read it. That's an information where you could find the IFU in the internet. If you open everything correctly, you will see the foam like you can see it here. This one you can take out with one hand. It's really easy. And lay it on the table on the other side. Now you can see how the phoropter lays inside and where you can find also the cable for it. Now take 2 hands to take out the phoropter head. Be really careful, and it will be in this pink package, which is a safety for wetness during delivery. Then you can place it on the foam you already took out. Then there's nothing inside anymore, just the cable. This one you can also take out with 2 hands. And then we will lay it here. The empty carton we will put away, but please keep it if you need it in any service cases. Now you have to open this pack. Use your scissors or your knife and be careful that you are far away from the product and open it. Now you can take out this white bag, which protects for wetness, and then take out the phoropter carefully. This is how the phoropter will look like, but place it back first. Then unpackage the cable. It's really easy. It has here a zip line. Open it and take it out. It will look like that. For the unpackaging of the optional control panel, you also have to use your scissors or your knife, but please still be careful by opening it. If you open the package, you will see that. And here you can find directly the connection cable for the control panel. Take it out. And then you can also take out this layer of cartonnage. Then you have the control panel inside. So to take it out, here you find 2 things where you could take your hands in it and take it out with both hands. And now took it completely out. Place it next on your table. Now you can rid of the box because we're done with that. And now you can see the control panel. It's the easiest way to lay it on one side. Take it with one hand and take the foam away. Then take your 2 hands and take it out of the second foam. Then you will have the control panel like that. It's also packed in this pink package because we want to protect it for air condition and liquids during the transportation. Please be careful by opening that package. Then you can take out also this white package. After you opened the package and took out the white bag, you can remove the control panel easily. Take it with one hand and remove the pink package. Now you can see the whole control panel, and it still have a safety for the screen on it. It's the same like with the phoropter head. Unpackage the cable. It's just open it at the zip line, take it out, and now you can see this one looks a little bit different than that one of the phoropter head. To unpackage the central unit, you will receive this package. Then open it with a scissor or a knife carefully, that you do not hurt anything of the product in it. After you open the device, you will find it like that. Then remove this cartonnage. Here, in this edge, you will find the electricity power supply. And then you can see it's just the central unit in it. To take it out, use two hands and be carefully. Then it will look like that, and then place it on the table next to you. After you took it out, I recommend to place it like we placed the control panel on the side, because then it stands more safe, and then you can replace the carton. Turn the central unit with two hands, and then you could remove it. For the removing, you can see here you can take it in with your hand, take it safe, and then remove the first foam. And then take it in the other hand, remove the second foam. Also, this device is delivered in this pink package for the safety, as I already mentioned. Open it carefully. Take out the white package. And then you can take out the central unit. It will look like that. Here on the back you can see all the connections we have at the central unit. That I will show you later, how you can plug in everything there. For the power supply, you will find it in this package here. It also has this zip line. You can open it really easily. And then you can take out all the necessary stuff in it. First, this is a power supply, and it depends in which country you live. We have one for Europe and Switzerland, and although a perfect match for the US. If you need further cables, then it's really easy to buy one, because you just need this connection, and then you can plug it in and you can use the device in your country.